how's everyone been? Today we're in nature, and believe it or not, it's in the middle of Nairobi city. Back in the days, believe it or not, this place used to be a dump site. In 2008, one of my favorite cabinet ministers, who was the Minister for Environment, transformed this place from a garbage site with over 20 tons of solid waste into this beautiful green place. So today, I'm taking on a nature walk with me. I want to show you this beautiful green space we have in Nairobi, and I hope you enjoy it with me. For those who don't know me, I'm your host TEEVOH. Welcome to Steenel Dog World.
Guys, we're beginning today's video with a moment of silence for a fallen hero, the late Honorable John Michuki. Back in 2012, Baba honored our hero and commemorated him by naming this place the Honorable John Michuki Memorial Park.
So guys, we're inside the Honorable Michuki Memorial Park, and we enter this park, we're welcome with this beautiful beach. So guys, come along, let's see what this park is all about. Let's check out this medicinal plants garden. So today guys, I'm taking you in nature. We're entering the medicinal plant garden. I'm showing you the different types of plants that were planted here with their various benefits and everything. This memorial park is very beautiful and nice. Let me check out what kind of plant is this. Look at how beautiful they are. One fun fact about this park is that back in the days, around 6,357 plants were planted to make this park. So what we have here is the East African green heart. It has various medicinal values ranging from the respiratory problems, gastro problems, dental problems, and it's an ornamental plant. Let me check out another beautiful bad boy here. Look at this green one. This is perfect. Now this is the Meru oak. Its uses is mostly for timber, shade and fuel wood. Kind of a hard wood. Let's go around. I see one of my favorite plants here, apart from the bamboo. Look at this bad boy. That's the East African green heart, the one which solves the respiratory problems. I've shown you back there. So guys, actually this beautiful park is in the middle of the capital, Nairobi city. And Nairobi city, believe it or not, we're trying our level best to make it a smart city. And as a smart city, it needs to have a green space like this. Let me check out this bad boy down here. Can you see this beautiful plant? This is an indigenous African plant. It goes by the name of stink wood. Actually, the medicinal value of this plant, it can cure prostate cancer, can be used as an antiseptic, can be used for fuel, can be used for even construction. There are different types of trees here. I'll show you a few. Won't be able to cover most of them because of time. I don't want this video to be long. But if you want, you can comment down there. Can be able to bring you to this beautiful park and do a longer content of this video. Now look at this beautiful bad boy down there. Look at this. This is another ornamental plant which is called the pepper tree. It's provides good shades, can be used for fuel also. Very many trees were planted here. They're taking their time to grow, but within no time we'll have a beautiful forest down here. Wow, look at that one. It's called Ekebajia. Its medicinal values for curing gastritis, heartburn, epilepsy, and even gonorrhea. That's a good one. And there's this big bad boy here. That's the cotton tree. What do they say about the cotton tree? Its medicinal values: antiseptic, cures malaria, wounds, fuel, can be used as a shade in a garden. So let me go around. I'll show you what this park is all about, and enjoy with me. Today I'm just doing a nature video so that you can get to see the beautiful side of Nairobi. Nairobi is a green city right now, and this beautiful space is one space you can enjoy. From the medicinal garden, you're coming across this beautiful tree nursery. This is where they plant and rear the young seedlings to be transferred in this park. Look at how this beautiful place is. It's a commendable job Kenya Forest Service is doing in Kenya. So those are the seedlings right there. And I'm taking you around to see. As you can see, this green space is in the middle of the city. Those are buildings down there. Hope you enjoy this space. Every day there's an initiative to making this place greener. More seedlings are planted and more trees are transferred from the nursery this side and planted all over this green space. Like I said before, Nairobi is being transformed into a smart city, and a smart city always has green spaces like this before. So on this space we have fruit trees, orchards. Can find some mango trees on the other side. There's a nice beautiful pathway to walk. It's about a rainy season in Nairobi right now, so you can walk at this space freely and enjoying this place. Nairobi River flowing there. Some beautiful birds, as you can see down there, enjoying their natural habitat. Beautiful bamboo plants there. Loving this space. Various types of indigenous trees here. Told you this is a fruit orchard. It's a guava tree there. Starting to bear fruits already. Let me move along, show you more of this space. Being in nature is always magical. Very peaceful, very relaxing. In the busy, chaotic city of Nairobi, I can't believe there's a beautiful space like this. As a nature lover and conservationist, I'm enjoying myself. I think this is my perfect chill spot for every day. Come check this out, guys. I believe it's one space you're going to enjoy. What you're seeing right here is the hedges bamboo. And on this side is the Bomos bamboo. Actually, this is the type of bamboo which is used for construction. And its leaves up there, they're food for the ostriches and food for the pandas. Down there, as you can see, is the Nairobi River flowing. I just love it when I'm in nature. On the other side, that's the Bomos bamboo, the type of bamboo which is usually used for construction because it can never be infested with pests, and it's a very good building material. This hedges bamboo has various medicinal values. Can be able to be used by the Chinese people to cure coughs, asthma, gallbladder issues, and even digestion issues. So it's a very beautiful plant to have in the ecosystem. As you can see here, these bamboos have been planted and grown in this riparian land. Why did they do so? Because actually the roots of this plant help to hold the soil together and prevent soil erosion by the river down there. So it's one good plant that is needed in this ecosystem. The government took the initiative to build gabions on the side to prevent the Nairobi River from overflowing and carrying the soil on the side. As you can see, the water is cleaning up nicely. Such a beautiful, commendable job the Kenya Forest Service of Kenya is doing, and the government of Kenya. As a nature conservationist, I enjoy being in this big, beautiful green space. And this green space, imagine, is in the middle of Nairobi city. Perfect and nice. Let's go around and explore this area and see what beautiful trees and beautiful vegetation they have down here. Beautiful Nairobi River flowing down there. It's drizzling a bit, but even the rain can't stop me from enjoying this beautiful place. Well maintained. I didn't know such a place existed in Nairobi. Imagine this is the first time being here also. Look up ahead. Very beautiful sight. Look at all this beautiful indigenous tree found in this nature space. Don't want to take long with this video. I'll end it here for today. Guys, we've come to an end this beautiful nature video. If you really liked and enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up and like, comment. Tell me, how did you find this green space we have in Nairobi? Share it with your friends. Because from Steenel Dog W, it's adios. See you on the next one.